Classic Custom Garage. I'm here to tell you about our Porsche 911 Targa restoration, right-hand drive and EV conversion project. When the Porsche first arrived, it had already been backdated using fiberglass panels. Rear flares had also been added. We first started by 3D scanning the entire vehicle. This model would later be used to help us CAD design the EV motor mounts. Now, since this 911 Targa was missing its original engine and gearbox, the client felt it was a great candidate to become an electric, high-performance vehicle. Using this IDM 190 drive motor from Cascadia Motion that has 242 kilowatts of power and over 4,000 Newton meters of torque at the rear axle, we've developed a direct bolt-in kit for early 911 Porsche. Using the original gearbox and engine mounts means that no modifications are needed to the car whatsoever to convert to electric. It also means that the car can be reverted back to petrol if so desired. Once we've got the body back from sandblasting, we found that the original added rear flares had been done quite poorly. We also found some rust issues around the top of the quarter panel, as well as some rear body damage. We unpicked the original damaged quarters, sourced two brand new genuine Porsche quarter panels, spot welded those onto the vehicle, then welded in the SC flare. Once we added the rear backdate kit, we found that the bumper bars didn't quite match the profile of the SC flare, so we customized the ends to match in perfect. We then added a brand new deck lid, and we customized a 946 Singer style rear spoiler to suit. Since the original backdate kit that was fitted to the car was fiberglass, we decided we'd replace it all with fresh sheet metal. Brand new fenders, brand new aluminium hood, we added in the SC front flares, we modified the front bumper for better panel fitment, along with adding in these slight flares on the side of the front bumper bar to match in with the fender flares. As this 911 Targa wasn't getting restored to factory original, the client had requested that we convert it to be right-hand drive. Once the vehicle was on the rotisserie, we found that the floor pan had actually been quite heavily damaged. We then sourced and imported an entire right-hand drive floor pan for this vehicle from front to back. We then carefully unpicked the original damaged floor and spot welded in an entire brand new right-hand drive floor. To convert the dash, we carefully unpicked all the left-hand drive panels. We then sourced new old stock right-hand drive panels and spot welded them. I hope you've enjoyed our video about our Porsche 911 Targa project. If you'd like to know more about how we can help restore your Porsche, visit our website at www.classicandcustomgarage.com.au or call us on 03 9077 9367. Thanks for watching.